Welcome to the Mentoring Roundtable for the day. We are looking at business insurance. Many of your clients are going to be concerned about their business insurance coverage. Do they have the right coverage? And does that coverage take care of their needs? I did a quick search and I used some aids, and I found this very helpful material for solo entrepreneurs. This is not so much for large businesses, but this is for people who are starting off solo. And the first consideration in purchasing business insurance is the question, are there legal or client requirements? Now, are there legal requirements where you live related to local laws that may require insurance if you rent workspace or hire contractors? Are there requirements that your client places upon you for the contracts? For instance, they may require certain levels of general liability that are beyond what you would ordinarily get. You have to check what your clients require. You have to check what the local laws require. That will vary from circumstance to circumstance. Then the question is, what kind of work do you do? There are different risks in different industries. Everyone needs a certain level of insurance, but not everyone needs everything. If you are a freelancer or a consultant, then you're going to need perhaps, and most likely, professional liability and or cyber liability. Well, there's no or. That would be an addition. There is a risk that is associated with cyberspace, and so you need to speak with your agent about that. If you're in the retail or on-site services business, you need general liability. You also need product liability. If you're in the business of selling online, you need product liability and business interruption insurance. And if you're a coach or an advisor, you need what's called E&O, which is errors and omissions and professional liability insurance. So let's talk about the various types of insurance. General liability insurance covers bodily injury, property damage, or personal injury claims. Professional liability, along with E&O, errors and omissions, protects against negligence, bad advice, or missed deadlines. BOP, or a business owner's policy, combines general liability and property insurance, often at a discount. Cyber liability insurance protects you against data breaches, phishing scams, or ransomware attacks. Commercial auto insurance, if you're using your automobile in your business, is needed if you are driving for business purposes. However, if you have a personal auto insurance, that may already cover your use of your automobile in your business. You need to check with your policy provider for that. Then there's equipment and property insurance. It covers laptops, tools, workspace equipment in case of damage or theft. There's business interruption insurance, which helps replace lost income if your business is shut down due to a disaster. And then if you have employees, you may be required, even if they're part-time or 1099 employees, contractors, those aren't 1099 or not employees, workers' compensation. You don't want to skimp on that. You don't want to get caught without that when you're required to have it. So you need to check. Number 4 is budget and coverage limits. So don't overinsure, but don't underinsure. Balance your premium costs versus your deductible versus your coverage limits, and ask the question, can you afford the risk without this policy? It is not unusual to have $1 million coverage and then to have umbrella coverage. So when those numbers cause you to stagger, do a little research. There's personal versus business liability. If you're a sole proprietor, your personal assets may be at risk. If you are an LLC, then you need to insure the LLC, and or if you incorporate it as an S corp or some other kind of corporation. What is proof of insurance? Proof of insurance is what clients, landlords, and vendors may request, and it's called a certificate of insurance. Do not be surprised if they ask for co-insurance for you to cover them. This shows that you're a legitimate, risk-aware business owner. When you're buying insurance for your business, ask yourself about the insurer's reputation and claims process. Choose an insurer that's known for transparent pricing, easy claims process, and good customer service. Consider brokers like Next Insurance, Hiscox, Simply Business for solo entrepreneurs, Byberg, and others. Now, as a bonus, you want to make sure that you do an annual review of your coverage once a year, or after you've launched new services, you've hired help, or you've expanded your location. If you want to talk a little bit more about this, you can go to score.org and request a free mentor, or you can come on and use my contact information to contact me, or of course, and we always advise this, of course, is you contact your insurance agent and broker. So we're here to help you, and that's today's little tidbit. And we hope that you actually do purchase your insurance.